Welcome back to Writer's Workshop. We are going to continue writing in our journals. We are still working on informational writing, and today we are going to write about the water cycle. On Canvas, I posted a link on a YouTube video that you can watch, a short video about the water cycle that explains how the water cycle works. There's also a book on Get Epic if you would prefer to read, or you could do both. So if you have not seen the video on YouTube about the water cycle or read the book on Get Epic on the water cycle, please pause this video, go do that, and then come back and finish. So hopefully if you're still in this video, you have already read or watched the YouTube video on the water cycle. And today we're going to write about it. We're going to write about the water cycle and how that works. So here we go. All right, so here we go, you guys. I'm going to model how to write about the water cycle because that is our chosen journal topic. Obviously, you're going to go to your next page. If you're writing in a notebook, if not, just grab a sheet of paper and get started. So, as always, you're going to title your journal entry. This is Journal 19. You're going to write the dates, May 20th, 2020. And we're going to give this a title. And we are writing about the water cycle today. So if you are a TK friend and writing sentences is a bit tricky for you, that is okay because you can always draw a picture. So here I'm just going to draw a lake, right? Because we need to have like a water source. And it's a sunny day. And water evaporates. So it's going to go up into the sky. I'm going to draw some arrows of it going up. And remember, a cycle means it goes around and around, right? So the water evaporates, it goes up, and it forms clouds. And then when the clouds get heavy, that's when it either rains or it hails, but water comes out, right? So I'm going to do a rain cloud here. And so what happens is that it rains and it all comes back either to the water, to a lake, to ocean, to a river. And then after that, the sun comes out again, right? And it evaporates again. So that is what makes it a cycle because it happens over and over again. So that is the water cycle. So I'm going to go ahead, you can label it an S for sun, an L for lake, C for cloud. So after you finish labeling, and again, you can label by just adding the beginning sound, but you can also push yourself and try to sound out the rest of the word. Make sure that you number the cycle 1, 2, 3. All right, so if you finish labeling and you want to push yourself a little bit more, if you're in TK, you are going to go ahead and try and spell out the rest of the word. So, sun, clouds, rain, lake. So you're going to be working on those. If you're in TK, you want to push yourself a little bit further. For those of my friends that are in kinder, you're going to go ahead and add some writing about the water cycle. So remember those transitional words you had first. So we're going to start there, and I had to restart this video because my technical difficulties and it didn't record that last part. So I'm going to go ahead and model for you now. So first, the water goes up into the air. So first the water goes up into the air, right? That's the first step of the water cycle. And then, so there's that transitional word, then it forms clouds. Right, that was the next part. And then next, after it forms clouds, it comes down. When those clouds are full, it comes down as rain or hail or snow. So when the clouds are full, the water comes down as rain, hail, or snow, right? So it comes back down and it returns back into the oceans or the lakes and the rivers. And then the cycle starts all over again, right? So first the water goes up into the air, then it forms clouds. When the clouds are full, the water comes down as rain, hail, or snow. Then the cycle begins again, right? Because that's the definition of a cycle. It goes around and around and around. It never stops. So there it is. There's my journal. If you are in kinder, you should be pushing yourself to write these 3 sentences. And if you want to copy them down, that's fine. But if you can come up with your own, that's even better. That's a way to challenge yourself. Don't forget to draw the water cycle. If you're in TK, I want to see some drawings. I want to see some labels. So there's our informational writing on the water cycle, you guys. I'll see you in our next video where we're going to go back and talk about community helpers. So see you in the next video.